Understanding the food was cold, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in English: the food was cold. Understanding these simple phrases is crucial for everyday conversations, especially if you're dining out or talking about meals. Let's break it down together, so you'll never be puzzled by it again. When someone says, "the food was cold," they're describing the temperature of the food. But it's not just about the physical state. There's often an implied expectation. Typically, we expect certain foods to be served hot. So, if the food is cold, it might suggest a problem with the service or that the meal wasn't enjoyable. It's a straightforward phrase but can convey disappointment or dissatisfaction. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly. For instance, if you're at a restaurant, this phrase could indicate a complaint. However, in a different scenario, like at a picnic, it might just be an observation without any negative connotation. Context helps you grasp the speaker's intent and emotions. If you hear this phrase, your response should be empathetic, especially if the person is expressing dissatisfaction. A simple, "that's too bad," "would you like to heat it up?" or "let's tell the waiter about it," shows you care about their experience. In casual settings, acknowledging the comment with a nod or a sympathetic remark is sufficient. Try using this phrase in different scenarios. When discussing past meals with friends, sharing your experience about a restaurant, describing a meal's quality in a review. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come when you need it. That's all for today's lesson on "the food was cold." We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this phrase in various contexts. Remember, learning a language is all about getting familiar with its nuances. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to share your experiences with us in the comments below. See you in the next video.